So it comes strapped like that, and it's really easy to open. This piece here just slides back. So when you go to hold your softbox, you put your hand in here, and then with your thumb, just press until it clicks. And then now you got a big giant softbox. Now to disassemble it, it's quite easy. So on the back, you have these two pinches. You just pinch it and that releases. I'm sure you could probably pull it this way too. It might be easier to open it, to grab that gray handle. It's hard to do with one hand, but yep, it's pretty cool. And the best thing is, here, Diana, can you hold that? Can you show me what, this is what she says it's best for. For when you're hot and your assistant wants to use it as a fan. This is amazing.
It's my TARION SOFTBEAM OC65F Softbox. And it's a beaut. She works great. She fits on my small lights. Nice soft beam. It's got 2 diffusions. I only got 1 in right now. But you got an inner layer that's like up in this area. Then you have a grid, which I also don't have on right now. I'm just looking for a nice soft white spill. But yeah, it works great. I also use it on light stands and stuff. For my little low wattage 60 watts, this softbox is fantastic.
Okay, so I had another key light and softbox on my desk, and then I needed a little bit better of a light, so I picked up a different light. And then I picked up this softbox from TARION, and it's really the perfect size for my desk. It breaks down quickly if and when I ever need to, but I keep this one up on my desk, and it's just a great softbox. Definitely mellows the light just enough for me on my face when I'm making content. So I love it. Great softbox. Highly recommend. Good price too.
This is the TARION 65cm softbox. Just want to show you how easy it is to open. So under the Velcro, here you can see there's like a little plastic handle. So this is important. So you pull this, and it just clips into place, and you're done. That's it. To close it, you pull these 2 pins, and that's it. Magic.